Ted County ma Homa Bay osechako chenro mar duoko piny kwan mar timbe mag rocho ratich mine kod nyithindo matindo. Kaluwore kod report mar piny owacho, atamalo 54 mar mine e county no oseroch ratich gi achiny, ka atamalo 23 to ichuno gi timo weche mag hera e tok dwarogi. Riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho ma Shofco ogero kar konyo mine kod nyiri, kendo en kama obedo kaka kar tony ne joma yudo midhiero ma kamago. Jagoro mar migawo ma chuech ng'ombe oyango ni Homa Bay pod otele timbego kendo serikal range matut.
House represents a community saying no to gender-based violence. A community saying to the survivors that we hear you, we feel you, we believe you, you are protected, and that you are not alone.
If a place that is known to be a safe place, that women are being raped again, I'll be so sad. And God will not forgive us. So, Governor, please, that place have to make sure is a very high, tight security. And we make sure, because if anything happens, Governor, with our partners, we are done. So we have to make sure whoever goes there, they are safe.
Thank you for making that investment and remembering the teen mothers. Because having a baby should not be the end of your journey, and that continues the vicious cycle of poverty.